My fridge is completely empty and I had to go grocery shopping, so let me show you my haul. Starting out over here, we have a 40 water bottle, arugula, which was reduced today, dozen eggs. This is our pork tenderloin and an Italian trio. Microfiber cloths, feta cheese, sponge daddies. We ran out of toothpaste, freezer bags, yogurt. We got 2 packs of this. I'm not sure where the other pack is. Bread. This is my eyebrow pencil. This is for a gift. Baking spray. Balsamic glaze. Cilantro. Milk. Also went to Sam's Club for some bulk shopping that should last us pretty much all month. 5 pounds of shredded cheese. Lots of tortillas. These are all chicken breasts. Baby carrots. 2 bags of this honey almond granola. And a whole bunch of ballpark hot dogs. Big bag of chocolate chips. This is chicken fried rice. We've never tried this before, but this is all they had. So we have 12 count of these. Some more English muffins, dates, mixed nuts, and peanut butter. To get some more bathroom products. Frozen vegetables, 1 lime, and 4 Honeycrisp apples.